My name's Dave. With the world continuing to focus heavily on climate change and emission reduction, EnviroVault, as a company committed to environmental stewardship, recognizes that we need to do our part. To make a difference, EnviroVault is working with a company called EmissionRx to offer a line of micro waste gas combustors. As a group, we have two goals in mind. One, make a safe, reliable product that meets close spacing regulations. And two, make the most affordable combustion solution on the market. Now, Canada is a global leader in responsible oil and gas production and has been working to improve our reputation by reducing emissions. Federal policies and emission reduction goals have already been set, and provinces are moving forward to successfully manage this monumental task. Eliminating methane emissions on oil and gas sites can be challenging. A remote location with no access to pipelines or electricity adds another level of complexity to the equation. So how are EmissionRx combustors eliminating gas in a responsible, affordable way? Well, we're proud to show the world the E-Series waste gas combustor. A patent-pending design, the E-Series is the most affordable waste gas combustion solution on the market. This compact, all-in-one design is easy to transport, move around site, and install. It comes with a concrete pad and doesn't require piles or guy wires. Place the unit on a compact, level surface, and you're ready to hook it up. We provide everything you need to make this process easy. EmissionRx combustion experts have maximized the cooling through their proprietary design, effectively keeping the E-Series skin temperature below 50 degrees C. This is well below the ignition temperature of any combustible substances that may be present in the area, so you don't have to worry about igniting material that may blow and settle near your combustor. As a team, our focus has always been on the person in the field running the equipment. EmissionRx combustors are easy to use, reducing the learning curve for operators. Units come with profile controls, the industry standard in burner management systems. This provides a level of familiarity in the field and a level of trust to know that our combustors will work like they're supposed to. In addition, we've designed our combustor to operate effectively and efficiently in all climate conditions. Nobody wants to call to the remote site because you've started the neighbor's field on fire, or your unit won't start because everything's frozen up. We know it's essential to be able to rely on your equipment. So, you may be wondering, that all sounds great, but how are companies using this technology to meet emissions regulations? Well, EmissionRx combustors are being used to eliminate gas from sources like tank vents, pneumatic instruments, casing gas, and many more. Our units will work in a wide range of pressures, and this adaptability opens the doors for us because we can safely destroy nuisance gas from various equipment using a standard design. Our turndown ratio is phenomenal. In fact, in many locations, we eliminate waste gas from multiple sources with just one combustor. If you have an application in mind, we can evaluate your conditions quickly and provide expert advice to get you the best solution. Our in-house engineers review every project to ensure that the right combustor is selected for each application. In fact, in unique applications, we can simulate conditions on our test units so we know it will work as intended before it even leaves the yard. If you have any questions about EmissionRx combustors or any other products we have, feel free to contact me at any time.